through the transitions. Oh, we can do disco dancing. That's weird. Just finished sanding it. I got the LED strips came in. Took me a little bit to find it, but basically this one is Bluetooth, but mainly it has a dual strand wherever this thing is. So it actually has two of these things running, because what will happen is these are not connected, so I needed some kind of a central like hole behind these two signs, and then it'll run from here or maybe somewhere here and kind of connect and run. Then I'll probably put another hole through the back there and then let it run kind of behind, and then the same idea. And these are cuttable, so, but I've never worked with these before, so I'll plug it in and we'll test it out, see how it looks, and try to figure this out. And as always, I know what needs to be done, I don't know what I'm doing, so fingers crossed it'll work out. Just unrolled a little bit of this, plugged the things into the controller, I guess. I'm not sure what this is. I think this is this is a receiver, I'm pretty sure. Must be for the remote. So let's plug it in for the first time and see if it'll work. Ready? Oh yeah. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's see what we can do. Oh, I gotta pull the plug here. Okay, let's try it now. I don't know if it does anything. Okay, so that's dimmer, that's brighter. Okay. Alright, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's a cool color. I really like the light blue. I think I'm gonna need some of this. What's this thing? Flash. Okay. Disco dancing music, insert Borat noises. Okay. I do like this. Alright, we'll figure out how to get it all together, but I'm going to turn this off real quick. And right on the things, there's a little scissor icon. I don't know why it's not focusing. There we go. So this shows where we can cut. So it's pretty cool. So I'm looking forward to messing around with this. I mean, first time always takes forever, so I don't like that part, but usually it comes out pretty good, so let's keep working. I didn't videotape this bit because I was just figuring it out and it would have taken forever to videotape it, but I kind of glued it, or rather stuck it to the back. I have spacers made with the screws. You can see the screws right there, so this is being held up by 3 screws. And this is the extra wire that I'll be able to cut, and I'm going to run it behind this part as well, which wasn't the original idea, but I have like spools of this stuff. So honestly might not even need that. I'll see if I'll be able to just kind of utilize the same one strand and then run it through the back. So, but let's try to turn it on and see what happens. Where's the remote? I hope I didn't break nothing. Is it on? Okay. Alright, let's try to turn it on. I had it plugged in wrong. There we go. There you go. Looks good with the red strobe it. Alright, I dig it. Alright, I'll keep taping it and then I'll show you in the end how it kind of looks. It's kind of how it looks. It ain't real pretty, but it covers most of the letters. So we're gonna flip it, I'll screw it in and then finish it from behind. I'll show you once it's done, and fingers crossed it'll still light up. Right, so there's it in the back. So it starts off, where does it start off? So it starts right here, dips, goes behind the queue, pops out, goes back around, pops back in, goes behind the lounge, and pops out somewhere. Where's the second hole? Pops out right here, covers this gap between the two, and finishes right here. So moment of truth, no pressure. Yeah, baby. Alright, let's flip it. Damn, I'm pretty excited about this. Come on. Alright. Got lights. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty cool. Sorry for the washing machine noises, but alright. I think that's it. I think this project is done. I'm gonna attach the thing in the back somehow so it hangs nice and proper and we will be good to go. Here we go. It's all lit up, hanging on the wall. It's pretty hidden from the back, the very, very back, so it's not too bright. But I think it looks great. Disco dancing time. Tits, 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 tits. Pretty excited about this though. It's pretty cool. Needing the second strand, so I'm gonna just put it back in the box with the remote and stuff, so this way, in case the other one burns out or something happens, we got a spare, so that's kinda neat. I think that's it for this project. Now I gotta figure out how do I take like a cool photo that'll give it any justice. Maybe wait till evening or something. Here we have this thing in the dark. So it works pretty good. Let's roll through some lights. Now we can go through the transitions. Oh, we can do disco dancing. That's weird. Not sure which one it is. I can't really see what the remote says. Flash. Oh, I can't tell what this is.